Now the fx is given and they are asking what is relation between f dash 1, f double dash 2 and f triple dash 3. Let's consider this equals to some constant, this equals to some constant, this equals to some constant, and let's solve it. So solution, let's consider f dash 1 is equals to some constant a, f double dash 2 equals to some constant b, and f triple dash 3 equals to c. This is the question. Now if I substitute this over here, therefore my fx become what? Become x cube plus x square into a plus x into b minus c. Since we have f triple dash derivative, let's differentiate up to 3 times. F dash x equals to what? First differentiation is what? 3x square plus twice x a plus differentiation of this is what? B. Again, double dash is equals to 6x plus twice a, and triple dash x equals to what? 6. Now look at here, we have f triple dash 3 equals to c here, therefore now f triple dash 3 is equals to c. It means when you substitute, okay, substitute x equals to 3, therefore what? F triple dash 3 equals to 6 means what? It is 6 equals to c. Therefore we have c equals to what? We have 6. Okay. Now let's consider f double dash. Now f double dash is what? See what we have is here. Now if I substitute f double dash 2 is equals to what? 6 to the 12, 12 plus 2a. This is what? This is f double dash 2 is what? B is equals to b. Okay. So we have one equation, equation number A. Now here let's substitute f dash 1. We substitute x equals to 1 here. We have f dash 1 is equals to 3 into 1 square is what? 3 plus twice a plus b is implies what is f dash 1? F dash 1 is a. Okay. Here a is equals to 3 plus 2a plus b, 2a plus b. Okay. This implies, so 0 equals to 3 plus a plus b. This is what? Equation B. So we have two equations. One is what? This. From here I can write this, a plus b equals to minus 3. From here I can say twice a, here I can say twice a minus b is equals to what? Minus 12. From here we can find a and b. Let's add these two. Here I will get 3a equals to what? Minus 15. This implies a equals to, therefore a equals to minus 5. Substitute any of these. So therefore from here let's see, b equals to what? Minus 3. B equals to minus 3 minus a, that is minus 3 minus plus 5 is equals to 2. So we have, this is what? B. We have a, b, c. Okay. Here what is a? I will substitute over here. A is what? Is what? Minus 5. And b is to 2. And what is c? C equals to c, 6.